We often get asked by clients, why should we choose you to act as our solicitor and professional advisor? And it's a very valid question. There's a diverse market out there. I have personal experience of working for what was a very large firm that handled huge volumes of business. And the people there were wonderful, worked extremely hard, very long hours, but everything was geared around volume and the necessity for a process. We used to jokingly liken it to the Ford Motor Company conveyor belt system, where everything is broken down and non-qualified people do work and qualified people do the serious part of the job. At the end of the day, they get the job done as they're bound to, and their success is based on volume of business. Here, with a small high street practice such as ourselves, the emphasis is on the other side. It's not about volume, it's about quality of the service we provide. At the end of the day, we want our clients to go back to their friends, their family, and say, well, our solicitor was brilliant and we would recommend him wholeheartedly. It's the difference between ringing in and being able to speak to the same person every time, whereas some of the larger factory firms, as I tend to call them, will have a team of people, which is necessary for the way they handle the job. But for a client, it can be disappointing to never really get to speak to the same person twice. You lose that personal approach, and the advantage of the local high street practice is that invariably you can drop in, meet with your client or your professional advisor and get that personal professional advice face to face. With the larger firms, which deal with everything online and effectively remotely, it's very difficult for them to accommodate you if you wanted to go in and see. You'll find that they're reluctant to allow that to happen, simply because their fee earners and the case handlers that they employ simply don't have enough hours in the day to accommodate the volume of business that they're processing, let alone having to spend time talking to clients. And we see it in totally the opposite way. We want to spend time with our clients and look after you, and at the end of the day, as I say, we hope you will be recommending us to your friends and family, so that we then acquire a consistent business with good people, good client relationships. It's what we're here to do and help.